Google's changed again. But this time, it's not another small update. It's a full AI revolution. In 2025, SEO isn't just about keywords or backlinks anymore. It's about how smart your content sounds, how human it feels, even when it's written by AI. So, how do you win this game? First, you need to understand that Google's algorithms now use AI models to detect user intent. They don't just read words, they understand meaning. That means tools like Surfer AI and Neuron Writer are your new best friends. They help you create content that's perfectly structured, semantically rich, and tailored to what your audience truly wants. The key is balance. Use AI to speed up research and writing, but always add your voice. Because AI can write, but it can't connect emotionally the way you do. I'll show you my personal workflow, the same one that ranked multiple articles in the top 3 spots on Google in just weeks. By the end, you'll know how to let AI handle 80% of SEO, while you focus on the human 20% that really ranks.